Okay, there's the pole again. See the pole? See that break I was showing you there? Now look over here. See this? Look at that. Look at all that break. See that break? Look at all that. Pretty deep. See my foot? It's going down in it. See that hole? See that one? Okay, now watch my arm. Watch my arm go down in here. See my arm? See that? Way down. And then there is no end there. My hand can go further, but with the size of the break, of the width, my arm won't go no further. But it goes deeper, way deeper. Way, way deeper. And there's more over here. Here's this building over here. Hey, where'd that big gigantic hole go? I was over here. There's some of it there, but it was a bigger hole. There it is. You see that hole? Now this one my arm fits down in. Now watch. See? Way down, way down, way down. See? It goes all the way down. As you can see. See that? We have been involved in a major earthquake. This Tammy Sue stuff will be at birth. Royce by identification code only. Gotta love me. Ah. Ooh. Look at my arm. See my arm? Oops. I don't have no band-aids either. Oh well. Thank you, YouTube, for your support.